friends, happy Wednesday. It is currently August 24th. It's 2:41. I have just done my second interview for today. Oh, I guess this is gonna be like a couple days of my life. I initially wanted this to be like a week in my life, but then I didn't film on Monday or Tuesday, so it's just gonna be a couple days in my life. It is currently Wednesday. I also have red nails, which I never have like a red, and I got one for my birthday from my friend, and it's this one, gel polish in T35. I had red nails once in my entire life. They stained my nails. I never went back to red nail polish. I've been seeing so many people wearing red nail polish, so I was like, let me just get on the red nail polish, and I don't think it's for me. Back to what I was saying before, I did 2 interviews today. If you don't know, I currently work as a graphic design intern, and I am currently on the lookout for a new job. I feel like this job has run its course. I think I got what I needed out of it, but I think I need to take a step away from social media marketing and digital marketing. As much as I love social media, to a certain point, I think I'm just burnt out. If you are a creative person, then you will 100% know what I'm talking about. But I, as of recently, it's been a thing ever since second year university. I go through periods of creative burnout all the time, which is why I think that I can't upload consistently every single week, put out videos that I think are good enough on here, because I work in a creative field, so all my brain power throughout the week is solely in my work. And then once I want to film a YouTube video, I'm like, I don't even know what I want to do. I don't know what to do with this footage. Sometimes I hold on to footage for months. If you've watched any of my recent vlogs, you'll see that. Like, you'll see that all of this shit has been filmed for weeks, and I can't get myself to edit it because I'm completely burnt out and I have no idea what I want to do. Before my graduation, so back in June, like, what am I doing? And I think that a lot of people who are recent graduates, they feel that as well. Obviously, I'm not gonna knock any of that, but to be in a creative field is incredibly draining and so tiring, and it takes so much out of you because you are forced to be a creative person all the time. I get it. Like, I'm the one who signed up for this. I'm the one who went into design, and I get it, and I love design, and I love social media, and I love all of that. But when that is your job, when that is the sole reason you need to provide for yourself, you need to be creative 24/7, it's incredibly difficult to want to put out a TikTok, to put out an Instagram story, to put out whatever. And so that's also one of the reasons why I would never want to be a full-time influencer, because the creative ability to constantly do this for your job is incredibly draining. I don't think people realize that, because your brand is you, so you have to put yourself on all the time. I don't even do this full time. This is solely just for fun, and I love when it's just for fun because I can upload whenever I want to upload. Nothing is dependent on me uploading. Like, my paycheck is coming in whether I upload a video or not, because I work a whole other job, and this is just for fun. This is for me to hold memories. This is for me to watch shit that I did so many years ago. And there are tons of people who are going to argue that, you know, being your own boss is so great. You make your own schedule. It's so fun. You do whatever the heck you want. And I get it. To a certain degree, a traditional 9 to 5 is great, because you go, you do your work between the hours of 9 to 5 or 8 to 4 or whatever your schedule is, and that's it. You log off, and that is it. You exit. Everything is just done, and I can put my energy and my creative abilities towards something else. When I was applying to jobs, I had to take a hard look in the mirror and was like, do I want to do social media and digital marketing for the rest of my life? I am so passionate about social media and digital marketing. It has consumed my entire life, to the point where I can't watch TikTok just to watch TikToks anymore. I can't go on Instagram without seeing an ad that I've created. I started applying to jobs that were just 9 to 5, day to day, like, boring. It's made me hate social media to the point where I don't even care what I post anymore. I don't want to post. I don't want to make content. To hate something that you once loved is a tough pill to swallow, especially when it seems like everyone wants to do it, it makes you feel lost. So all that to say, that entire rant to say that I've been applying to jobs and I've been doing interviews. As much as it is easy to stay in a comfortable position and it is easy to stay exactly where I am doing the exact same thing, I know that it will be good for me to move on. It's hard to leave the first job that you had after university where everything was kind of set in stone. You go to class, you get the grade, you graduate. It's hard when there's no one telling you what to do. I planned my entire life to be in this exact position, to be working in this exact position. I'm just realizing it's not for me, and that's okay. When you're young, you think that there's a certain timeline that you need to meet. Welcome to a couple days of my life. I don't know what that rant was. Hi friends. It is Friday. I didn't vlog yesterday. I had another interview yesterday. I'm starving. There's also nobody here. I have to wait for my sister to come back from her personal training session so that we can have lunch. I've decided that, okay, I've been seeing all over TikTok that Good in Toronto has $1 strawberry matchas again. Their strawberry matcha, so good, like so good. I've had it before. It was obviously not $1, but it is $1 now. So if you live in Toronto and you like matcha, go get it. It is so good. It's like the perfect amount of sweetness, but I don't live in the downtown core, so I can't just go out to a Good. I have a bunch of strawberries in my fridge and I have matcha powder. So what I'm thinking is it could work. Do I know how to make strawberry matcha? No, but we are gonna, you know, experiment and see what happens. My matcha is combined. Now I have about this many strawberries. I don't know how much to do. I also got like the most mushy strawberries that I could find in that container. Is this actually how you make strawberry puree? Absolutely not. It's looking like this. Can we see? While I'm doing this, let's talk about me living alone. One of the interviews I did was for an office assistant at Ardennes. Don't know what I was thinking when I applied for that job, because on LinkedIn, it literally said that I had to be in Montreal. They asked me if I was willing to relocate to Montreal, and I said yes. So I do have a list of like places that I would realistically move if I was given the opportunity. Montreal was not one of the places. Just something about Montreal just doesn't really call to me. I don't think I'm like a Montreal girly. I very much think I'm a Toronto girly. I don't know if I should mix it. No, we're just winging it. I think I added too much milk. Then we're gonna pour some matcha. I'm gonna do this over the sink because I don't trust myself. It looks like this. Let's try this. It's not bad. It's also not great. I think it needs a sweetener. Do you guys see that? That's just like straight honey. Definitely not the worst matcha I've ever had in my life. Had quite a few of those, but it's definitely not the best either. Hi friends, good morning. It is currently Saturday, August 27th. I am going to the Jays game today. It looks like I'm naked. I'm not. I'm wearing a tube top. Let's show you my outfit, kind of, or as best as we could. I'm wearing this tube top that's actually a bathing suit top from Aerie. It's like this white ribbed material, and then I'm just wearing my dad's old Tommy Hilfiger jeans that I shrunk. My necklace is from Missouri. I actually don't think they sell it anymore. My earrings are from Every Jewels. I haven't been to the Jays games in a while. Today they're giving out a free bomber jacket because it is the 30th anniversary of when we won the World Series in '92. Hopefully we can get that. It's the first 15,000 fans, I think, and I really like free shit, so I really want them. I just came here to get my Aquaphor. We're also picking up my cousin who lives in Oakville, who will be staying with us for a while. She is, how old is she? She's young. She's going into grade 10, so I think she's like 15 or turning 15, which is wild because I'm old as hell. Today I realized there was this guy on TikTok that I saw and he was like 23, and I was like, oh, that's 2 years older than me. No, that's only 1 year older than me because I turned 22 this year. Every day TikTok makes me realize how old I am. I can't believe it's been 4 years since I graduated high school. Like, I think that's wild. Like, I could have like my 5th year reunion for high school, and that's just a no. That's just a hard pass. So I don't remember the last time that I vlogged. I think I got a couple clips from the Jays game on Saturday. It is currently Monday. Later at around 7 is when I am going over to my friend Ashley's house. We are going to watch a movie and do some baking.
Hello! Welcome to our baking channel. Welcome to our baking episode with Kiana!
Flip the camera up yourself.
We have Ashley, Disha, and Kenya, of course.
We're making slutty brownies, so we're gonna start by making the brownie mix. Okay, so first, how do you make this? Oh man.
I am.
Mix it up into the bowl. Oh, there's chocolate chips in there.
Ooh. For the brownies?
Yeah.
Ooh. Yummy.
It's new.
Yeah, I never saw that before. The crocker.
I should have probably gathered all my materials before I started. Giving discombobulated. I'm like, giving discombobulated. I wish this was Christmas and we were doing Christmas baking, but anyway.
We're doing holiday baking.
Holiday baking. Now we need a third cup of oil.
So you want a lip balm?
Yeah, I do. You want it?
Yes, please. Like my lips feel like give me the good kind.
Third cup of oil.
One egg. Can I crack the egg?
Yeah.
I'm so bad.
Don't put any shells.
We need 1 egg to make
put the
it
shells.
old and rusty.
I like it crunchy.
That's on your forehead.
I like it
This is
crunchy.
nice.
The whole
It feels
egg?
like
Yes.
cocoa butter. Hi YouTube.
YouTube, do you like my glasses?
Yes, we love them.
We love them. It's giving influencer.
Thank you.
Like the ATL influencers, they don't
Yeah.
have that like style. I like
Oh my gosh,
zoom
it smells
in
good.
yum to the brownie mix that we like barely contributed.
Oh my god, it smells
because we
so
only had to add 3 things.
Who's Betty Crocker?
Crackers, it's from scratch.
It's not really that fast. Help me, I can't say. The silence.
No, I'm laughing because of the way that Ashley slowly brought the spatula in.
I was trying to make it look decadent.
This was not the way I imagined it to be.
Goodbye.
Yay!
Yeah.
Down.
Yummy.
Diksha.
Yummy.
What is your problem?
Ice cream.
We all scream
For ice cream.
This tiny spoon. Thank you.
Just that little bit?
Yeah.
No, wait. Oh my goodness. Wow.
Okay, fine, I'll add to it.
Brownie to ice cream ratio.
Is it your
It's
movie?
good.
I'm so sorry, yours like
Yeah, it's okay.
Do you want ice cream?
I like it deconstructed. Yeah, sure. I'll have some ice cream.
Not deconstruction. Do you want a fork or spoon?
Oh, what is
Okay, I'll put it on the side so.
What was getting wrong?
Is that enough, Diksha?
Yeah, that's good. Right up in the angle.
Goodness gracious. We are farting.
Give them a taste test.
Okay.
Give them
Let me try it by itself first.
Yeah.
And then let me try it with everything. Wait, okay. Oh, first bite. Mmm.
What is going on?
The flavors are melting on my tongue. The ice
It
cream.
wasn't working. Real?
The Oreo kind of burnt, but I kind of like it like that.
Really?
I should have put it inside.
I didn't eat it yet.
That's kind of nice. Like campfire.
It's good as campfire, you're right. Yeah. Good review.